The last 3 times out at the mill, I've been using the torque wrench to torque it. The Frontier OS27 doesn't come with a nut on the handle to torque like the Woodlands Mills does, but I welded one on and I'm torquing it to 20 foot-pounds now. So far, I've been successful doing this. Maybe I was over torquing all those times before. I don't know. It appears to be about where I'm normally set with the washer, so I'm not sure.
Welcome back to the channel, guys. I'm Jerry Bigelow, the Wood Gigolo, some call me. Actually, Bigelow is not my last name, but a lot of people think it is, so Jerry Bigelow, the Wood Gigolo. I think my brother-in-law coined that. Anyhow, we have a white oak on here, 13 foot long. It's not big. It's 10 inches on that end. Looks like it's going to be really consistent. 10 and a half. So I'll get a 7-inch cant out of this, and I'm going to get my 2x6s that I want to make. That's what I'm cutting today is 2x6s. I need to get we're going to put this on. It's long. I'm working down the mill a little farther this way today. It's breezy. Let's see, will this fit? There we go. So that will be fine. Okay, that's down. So I got a Ripper 37 on there, sharpened. It's got 1 log on it, and we'll see how it does. See if I break anything. All right, let's get this going. All right. It's a hot one out here today, guys. I put this umbrella up to protect that camera. It's very hot out here. That's why I have that. My cameras seem to shut off when they get hot, as many of you, I think, do as well. So sometimes that thing blows over, though. That umbrella's beat up and bent. Any company want an advertisement on their sunshade or something, send them my way. All right, let's get this cut. We're going to cut 2x6s, or 1.5 inches. It's breezy. Hopefully everything's going to be fine today. So let's get this going. 1.5 inches by 6s. So I should get about 5 or 6 of them. Oh, I haven't started the mill yet this week. First pull, pretty impressive. It looks clean.
What I'm doing here is just checking all the controls and making sure all the switches and relays and motors are all working just fine. Power feed, forward, back, throttle, forward, back, and I've already done the up down.
So I have a little swoop right there. So I'm gonna make the main part right here and let it run off. I'm gonna go 2x8s instead of 2x6s.
These roller conveyors are extremely handy.
Here's that swoop I'm talking about. So my plan is to get the 2x8s out of here, and I'll get a couple long ones out of here.
We're gonna jump right to the end. Unfortunately, I lost some video. I'm not sure what happened, but nevertheless, you'll see the 2x6s that I made or 2x8s that I made. I think they turned out pretty well.
Mill, you're going to get rid of that plastic valve and you're going to put on a proper pin valve, needle valve, or a ball valve. I have a needle valve on there, works great, but I must have ran that with the lid off, and evidently there's sawdust in there because it was plugged up. I had to go in there and blow it all out, but I finally got it. Didn't break a blade though. Ripper 37 didn't break, so I was very happy with that. 20 foot-pounds. I'm not going to go to 25. I'll just keep it at 20, and we'll see how it goes. That's 3 times, like I said, without a broken blade, so that makes me really happy. But, guys, that'll do it for today out here. Like I said, it's warm. It's in the 90s now, mid-90s. It's got to be, I haven't looked at my thermometer, but it's probably 93, 94. It's warm. I'm going to go into AC, get lunch, and I have some wood back there I need to get split up. So we'll get that done today too. All right, guys, take care. We'll see you out here next time.